So in this video, I'll be answering the question, does the Huawei Watch Fit 4 or Fit 4 Pro have NFC? Now, all the Watch Fit 4 Pro have NFC, and some of the Watch Fit 4s have NFC. So it's important to know which one does and which one doesn't. Also, depending on which region you buy your watch from, you may have or you may or may not have NFC. Now, to check if your watch has NFC, simply press the crown once, open up settings. Under settings, you should see more connections. Tap on that. And as you can see, I do have NFC. You can see it right there and you can tap on it. And currently it's only set to the default payment app, which is the wallet app for Huawei. And that's all. Now, whether or not you'll be able to use NFC depends on a lot of things. The phone you're using, the region you're in, and whatnot. But the watch does have NFC. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.